Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I am going to give you some suggestion to free up space without deleting app and media in iPhone and iPad. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. The first method is we have to launch photo app, then we have to tap on album, scroll, find and tap on recently deleted, then tap select and tap delete all. The second thing that we have to do, clear your browser history. There is two ways to clear the browser history. The first in launch settings, scroll, find and tap on Safari, scroll and tap clear history and website data, and tap again clear history and data to confirm. The second method is launch Safari, tap on bookmark, now tap history and tap clear. Now we have a 4 option: all time, today and yesterday, today, the last hour. You can select one of them and clear the browser history from Safari. Next, clear downloads from the YouTube app. For that, first we have to launch YouTube, then we have to tap on library, now tap downloads. Now we have to tap on three dots in top right corner and tap setting, now tap delete downloads and delete to confirm. Next, delete text messages, old text messages after the limited time. First we have to go to settings, scroll, find and tap on messages, and here we have to find and tap on keep messages. Here we have to select the option delete the messages after 30 days, after 1 year, and or you select forever. If you select forever, then you always keep the text messages in your iPhone and they will take space. Finally, we have to go to settings, then tap general, scroll, find and tap on iPhone storage. Here we have to check the list, especially for the media apps like WhatsApp, Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram. We have to choose one of them, take the backup and tap offload app, tap again offload app to confirm and re-download the app. By these easy and simple method, you can free up space in your iPhone and iPad without deleting media, photos and your favorite songs. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.